Hi everyone, here's today's real consumer question from a real consumer. Naomi writes, Dale, you might want to look into those companies that are selling funeral insurance for as low as $9 a month. I don't need funeral insurance, but I checked to see how much it would get me. It turned out to be $750, not even enough to pay for a funeral. What do you think about this type of insurance? Great question, Naomi. As you mentioned, payouts for this coverage tend to be low. Even worse, you may end up paying more in premiums than the insurance is actually worth. But there are alternative ways to avoid leaving costly end-of-life expenses to your family. First, if you already have a regular life insurance policy, adding to that coverage can go towards funeral costs. Another option is to start putting money aside into savings accounts each month for funeral expenses. Treat it like a life insurance policy, yet for this you pay yourself. But there's a downside. Unlike insurance policies, leaving this money in a savings account makes it taxable. A third option is to pay in advance for your burial costs. In some instances, you can pick out and prepay for a headstone, a plot, even your casket. Just make certain to go over the contract carefully and avoid leaving any surprise expenses for your family. And finally, if you're looking to save money and the burden of planning a service, you can always opt for cremation, which is less expensive. And see if your state has a not-for-profit cremation society. Some states even offer natural burials, or you can donate your remains to science. But that's harder to do than you might think. Whatever you choose to do, write it down so you can have the final say in how you want to be remembered. Thank you so much for the question, Naomi.